गोंयकार भायर गेलो तरी तो गोंयकार अशें म्हूण पुर्तुगेज पासपोर्ट घेवन भायर वचप्यांक गोवा फॉरवर्ड अध्यक्ष विजय सरदेसायान तेंको दिलो. गोवा फॉरवर्डान बुधवारा मेंबरशीप ड्रायव्हाची सुरवात केली. आदलो आमदार विक्टर गोन्साल्वीस आनी फेरल फुर्तादो गोवा फॉरवर्डात पावली. जीएमसीत गोंया भायल्या खातीर वेगळी लायन योग्यच म्हूण विजय उलयलो.
गोवा फॉरवर्डान मेंबरशीप ड्रायव्ह सुरू केल्या. आदलो आमदार विक्टर फेर्नांडीस आनी फेरल फुर्तादो मेंबरशीप ड्रायव्हांतले पयले 2 मेंबर. गोंयांत नोकऱ्यो मेळना म्हूण पुर्तुगेज पासपोर्ट करून भायर वतल्यांक विजयान तेंको दिलो.
We welcome them and we will continue this drive until the anniversary of the opinion poll. गोंयांत जे भशेन नोकऱ्यो आमी लोकांक दिवंक जाय आशिल्ल्यो, जे भशेन फॅसिलिटी गोंयकारांक दिवंक जाय आशिल्ल्यो, ह्यो सगळ्यो दिवपाक आमी means we have not been able to give them this. And if a person feels that he has got better prospects abroad and he has got the facility of this Portuguese passport, which is only for Goa, then I think it is his democratic right to choose. Now Farrell decides that to send her son, and Farrell retains her passport here. So her son goes. Now her son has a lot of difficulty to go abroad, let us presume. Is she not there here? As a voter, I have to think about her also. And I also have to think about her son who wants to go there and perhaps become somebody so big that he comes here as a foreign direct investment here or a foreign institutional investor for the sake of Goa. No? We have to look at Goinkar marato. So khoyi Goinkar asu to Goinkar. So those who oppose this Portuguese passport, I am not making a stand. I am not giving you any issue on that. That's all.
जीएमसीत गोंया भायल्यांक वेगळे लायनीचे विजयान समर्थन केले.
आणि जे नॅशनल स्टँडर्ड्स आहा ते आमी मेंटेन करपाचे. वी डोंट हॅव टू बी टू मच हॉस्पिटेबल. कित्याक चड हॉस्पिटेबल जावन गोंयकाराची स्थिती आज जी गोंयांत पावल्या ती अशी पाविल्ली आहा. आमची हॉस्पिटलां आमच्या लोकां खातीर केल्लीं आहा. सरकार ताजेर भरमसाट पयशे मोडटा आनी गोंयची डोमिसायल आनी गोंयचो वोटर हो गोंयचो नागरीक आहा ताका ह्यो फॅसिलिटी पयलीं मेळूंक जाय. म्हण आमकां दिसता की जे हेल्थ मंत्री मिनिस्टरान केलां ताका तेंको दिवपाची गरज आहा.
प्रुडंटा खातीर तुळशीदास च्यारी.
तेहलका पत्रकाराचे बलात्काराचे केशीत तरुण तेजपाला आड ट्रायल कोर्टात 12 डिसेंबर मेरेन तरी केस सुरू जावंक शकची ना. हायकोर्टान ट्रायलीचेर अंतरीम स्थगिती कायम दवरल्या. आपल्या ट्रायल कोर्टात चालू आशिल्ली कायदेशीर कारवाय रद्द करची म्हूण तेजपालान हायकोर्टात घाल्ले अर्जाचेर सुनावणी हायकोर्टान 12 डिसेंबर मेरेन फुडें धुकल्ल्या. तो मेरेन तरी ट्रायल कोर्टात केस सुरू जावंक शकची ना. तेजपालाच्या आदवोगादाची आवय पिड्ड्यार जाल्ल्यान ताणें हायकोर्टा कडेन म्हयन्याचो प्राज मागिल्लो. कोलवाची पंचायत सेक्रेटरी संध्या शिरोडकार खंय थंयच्या लोकांक पिट्टा. आपले काम सारकें करिना म्हूण कांय कोलवेकार एकठांय जाल्यात. तिच्या आड कंप्लेनी आयिल्ल्यान हे पयलीं तिका ट्रान्स्फर केल्ली, मात कांय राजकारण्याक धरून ती खंय परत कोलवा पंचायतीत पावल्या अशें ते म्हणटात. पंचायत संचालकान खंय तिची परत ट्रान्स्फर मारची.
She has been here and there, but she comes back rolling again back in this panchayat because she has vested interest in this panchayat and political connections and to harass us.
1 month back, and we are supposed to get minutes. I did not get our minutes of the meeting, and secretary is supposed to give the resolution of the new account holders of the biodiversity board. We honestly request that we get a new secretary and get our things done.
The drugs and prostitution is going on.
लोग सब होता बड़ा है आपको पूरा कहना लोग रेड मार के ड्रग चलता है पुलिस लुक आउट ऑफ द पुलिस. Okay. You have spoken to the police? Oh, I have. मशवरा दिला नहीं मारे हम. इधर सभी हमारे
ताड़ो दिले आवे ना. बायोडायव्हर्सिटीच्या ते फक्त नेम्स होता आणि काही नको.
लोकांचे विद्यार्थी आता राज्य भुरगे बॉम्ब हल्ले. पुलिसाचो राउंड अप केलो. आमच्या आता आम्ही किती आम्ही ऑटो व्हीलर गेला तर परमिशन आमचं काय झालं. So we are helpless in that.
But according to you, there is not much problem kind of.
Problem राज्य साथे बात खबर असणार.
A good secretary was sent to us who appeared to be very knowledgeable and of her job, and she knew what exactly she should be doing. This lady has not even been here for 10 days, and they have removed her, saying that the director of Panchayat is saying I have sent her back because she has not written the minutes, she has not completed all her works, so she could not hand over to the panchayat new secretary. Because of that, I sent her back for 15 days to complete her work. Now a person who could not complete her work for months together, how is it expected of her to complete her work in 15 days? And if the director of panchayat wanted her to complete her work, I have clearly told her she should have sent her in the afternoon hours to complete her work. We want a functional panchayat which will do its job, because there are 4 villages under this panchayat and there are a lot of issues in this village that need to be sorted out. A lot of people keep on complaining. Many people have come to me with a complaint saying that we keep on going to the panchayat and coming back because the secretary is not available. Every day if you phone, even at 11 o'clock in the morning, she is not in her seat. The panchayat simply says she has not come. We send people here, people come back. Is this not harassment for the common man?
सरपंच म्हणटा तो कांयच करपाक शकना, ताचो खंय तातूंत कांयच रोल ना.
आता त्यांची मोठी हँड ओव्हर केलेली तेणूच धाडले स्वतः दिला तेंगा जाता मिटींग आहा तेंची सो तेंगा कांय म्हणलें थिंगा गव्हर्मेंटान धाडली ना तेजी कमिटी
असं कम्युनिकेशन गॅप उरलें.
कमिटी घेतलो तें दोगांय भितर.
आतां कितें तेजें सोल्युशन कितें काडलां?
आता ते सेक्रेटरी दिसना म्हाका
पूण तूं कितें तुजो रोल कितें आहा हितून सगळ्या
आय एम जस्ट अ मेंबर ऑफ द
प्रुडंटा खातीर सावियो डायस.
घेऊया एक ब्रेक.